As fellow traders, we all know that nothing actually beats trading with the right broker. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best brokers out there that has been in the market for a very long time, but I haven't really talked about it on this channel. And it's been a while I reviewed the broker, so that's why I'm actually reviewing them for you guys. Now, as you all know, before I bring any program on here to share with you guys, I actually do my own research and even test them before coming here to do that with you. That's to tell you that this broker that I'm about revealing to you is not just an ordinary broker, but it's as better just like any other broker that I've actually mentioned on this channel before. So with that said, without taking much of your time, let's get on my screen. Let me actually walk you through the whole broker interface and how you can actually start using this broker today. So guys, now that you're on my screen, let me quickly run you through every single thing you need to know about this broker. But first of all, most important, this is the same broker that what Alex G once claimed to be using as well, that we all actually know. That was about a year or so ago, and this same broker that I'm actually reviewing to you guys. Now this broker, their minimum deposit is $10, and then they have a leverage of 1:500 and $3 per lot. And I think that is quite low, just $3 for a single lot. And we all know that what a single movement in lot is actually a lot of revenue. Now when you come here, they have so many account sizes, accounts for you to actually begin with. They have the $10, the $100,000, the $1,000, and then the $100,000. And this is something that every other broker out there actually do. The higher your account size, the more benefits that you actually get. So now they actually support for trading platforms. They support MetaTrader 5, and then you can also use TradingView as well. Now here's one most important thing that you need to know. They have over 300 plus instruments that you can actually trade. Yes, which means that what you can never run out of something. Whether you want to trade crypto, forex, indices, commodities, there's totally no problem. They actually support over 300 trading instruments, which is really massive. Now their trade execution also is one of the most fastest in the market based on research. Why? Because they are also running on the same ECN execution. So they have one of the fastest trade executions, and we are going to test it together in this particular video. Now, in order for you to get started, once you come over here by clicking on the link that is available in the video description, you can just come over here and click on where it says create an account. Now for me, I already have an account. So you see that immediately I clicked on it, it brought me straight into my account. Now this is an account I actually created, and then created a demo account to actually show you how fast their trade execution is in this video. Now let me just head back out and I'll show you something really quick. Now when it comes to their withdrawals as well, you know, we traders, one thing we hate is being delayed when we request for withdrawals. And luckily, their withdrawals never go above 48 hours. And no matter how they delay you, I've never even experienced up to 24 hours before, but the truth is that it never goes above 48 hours, and then they have a 24/7 customer support to actually help you as well. So now all you need to do is simply click on create account. So now let me log out so that what I'll be able to show you the details required when you are creating your account. Now let me just head over to the register page. Now when you come over to create an account, here is your dashboard. Here is everything required: your email address, your password, and then you confirm your password. And from here, just click on continue, and then they are going to send you a verification code. With that verification code, you come back here, activate your account, and you are basically good to go. Now let me log back into my account. Now when you come over to your account, now unlike other trading platforms, well, this is how your dashboard actually looks, which is very clean and straightforward. Now whatever amount that you deposit, they are going to show your total deposit here. So if you've deposited $1,000 over the cost of you using this broker, it will be shown here. If you've withdrawn, whatever amount that you've withdrawn as well will also be shown here. And this way your live MetaTrader details will also be shown. So if you have live trades running and things, this way all those details will actually be shown. Now when it comes to making a deposit, it's very fast and easy. Click on where it says quick deposit, then it takes you straight up here. Now you need to do your identity verification. So after creating your account, the most important thing you need to do is simply head over to your profile, click on where it says my profile, and over here come over to KYC verification, and then verify your identity. Without verifying your identity, you won't be able to deposit or make any single withdrawal. So that is the most important thing that you need to do. And after that, you need to set up your 2FA as well. This is not my main account. This is not the account I'm going to be trading with. That's why I see that I did not do 2FA on it. I also did this to actually walk you guys through. And in order to make withdrawal as well, you have the option here to actually make your quick withdrawals. Now let me just show you for those of you who want to get started, you want to create a demo account, just click on where it says demo. You are going to see the create account option, or you can come over to where it says accounts. Once you come over here, come over to demo account, you can see the over here also you can actually create it. Now I come over here to platform. Now these are the platforms they have the MetaTrader 5 for your Android phone, your iPhone or laptop. And then if you don't want to use MetaTrader 5, well, you can also use the X9 trader as well. We all know X9. They also have mobile X9 version and then the Android version as well. So those are their trading platform, and this way you are going to see all your live accounts that you actually have. You can always click here to create an account. Now once you click on it, they are going to request you to do your identity before you create an account. Without doing your identity verification, the only sort of account you can create are demo accounts. Like, see, when I click to create a demo account, you can see that it's straight up. Now you are actually going to select the account type that you actually want. Do you want a commission free account, a standard account, a pro account, or you want an institutional account? It's totally up to you. So for example, maybe you want a pro account, you click on pro and then you add in your funds. Now if you are going for a pro account, your minimum deposit should be $1,000. And one thing about the pro account is that what your spread is $1, just one single dollar. You see, now if you're on the standard account, your spread is $1.6, and if you're on this commission free account, your spread is actually $2. But if you convert to the institutional account, your spread is actually set at 0. So they are only going to take you other trading fees to cover up. So basically, if you want this account, they come over here and then come over to select your leverage as well. And I think this one thing that they made that made me love them extra is the fact that when you are setting up your account, you can actually pick the leverage you want. So if you want to have multiple accounts with different leverages, instead of having one single settings to regulate all your account leverage, well, for this one, each account can actually come with its own leverage. Now let me show you real quick. So I came over to the leverage option. Now let me set this one to 1:100 leverage, and the deposit amount, let me just put $2,000 here. Is that 2,000? That's 20,000. $2,000, and then click on create an account. Now sources. Now you can see, take a look at something here. You can see that this account has a leverage of what, 1:100. This is the new one I created right now, and this is the old one I created when I set up at first with 1:500. So you see, each account has its own leverage, unlike other trading brokers whereby you can see that once you set your account leverage, it actually applies to all of your accounts. Over here it doesn't work that way. You can set separate leverage for separate accounts. Now if you want to log into MT5, all you need to do is simply click on where it says view all, which is a view option here. Now once you click on it, over here you can edit your account nickname, and then this is your server. It will be shown here, and every other details you need to know about your trade. If you have a live trade running, everything will be shown here. Now you can click here to actually update your trading password as well. Now when you create a demo account, one most important thing is that they are going to send you your login details via mail. The details you actually need to log it into your MT5 will be sent to you via mail. So now if I should open here, you are going to see that the new $2,000 account I created, you can see account ID, account password, and then server. Now this is how you are going to receive your details to actually start using that account on MT5. So you don't have to stress yourself wondering, oh, what is my password or something. No. And in case you don't want to use that default password, you can always come here and then come over to master and then set a new password, or investor and then set a new password. As simple as that. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually execute trade with this platform as well. So now let me just go over to my phone right now. We'll be doing screen recording from phone to continue this section.
Let me look for GBP USD. So let me go for GBP USD. Here is it. And then let me just add it up. And you can see that I just added a pair. So first, let's come over here. And now first of all, let me open the buy and sell buttons. Now take a look at the spread here. Can you see the spread? Well, just take a look at it. Very tiny. Now let me take a trade here. So I'm not doing any analytics. So I'm just taking a test trade. So let me just click on sell. You can see immediately I tap on the button, the sell button got triggered immediately. Now watch me do it again. Sell. And you can see that all the two trades just got triggered like that. This is how fast it is to actually take trade with this particular broker. So for any of you who are interested, all you need to do is simply click on the link that is available in the video description, and you can start trading with them. As simple as that. Take a look at the spread very close. You can see that is 0.0 something, a bit 0.1 or so, which is a very tight spread when it comes to forex brokers.